Llama, never seen one, my life. Before, a live one. Hello, Lami. Lami. Yeah, look at the wool on it. I want to show its bum to us because it's maybe shy. Hello, Lam. Hello. Oh, he's so cute. He's at his pen. He must stay around here. See, there are fences here. Welcome to Jaunti van life, travelling through South Africa. Full-time van lifers, Cindy and Graham. Living the youth of our old age, enjoying every moment.
Some of us have got to climb up there. So here we are on our way to a place called Dragon Peaks, and we are really excited about this because we've never seen or been at a place like this. So this is going to be quite an experience. We stopped for a bite and we saw these herdsmen had a bit of a problem with all these animals, trying to get them in their pens. Okay, so where are you?
I found another swing. I am the swing lady.
She was once known as the swing girl.
Beautiful.
Looks beautiful. Yeah.
I mean, this is so gorgeous. No wonder they came here for the holiday. The kids would have done canoeing on here.
What a beautiful place, and we were quite taken by seeing the mountain from our campsite. Finding the correct parking was a bit of a problem, but we wanted to flaunt our van, so we chose this one. Look how she stands there, glimmering in the beautiful countryside. 5 a.m. view of the mountain. A little walk down to the ablution block. We go down a few steps and cross the road and onto the paving into the kitchen sort of area where you can wash dishes and do washing. We take a bit further walk there and we see the bathrooms for the men's. I didn't go to the females. Our camper van looks so beautiful that I can't get enough pictures of it, and it's just being a braggy, I suppose, but you know what, we have beautiful vehicles that we travel with. Stunning view, pity the bonnet was open. Just a little walk around exploring to see what more we can have a look at here, down paths and everything. It's quite nice, I like this place. Early in the morning and nobody else awake except me and these wonderful beautiful birds. Their sounds are amazing. I was fascinated by the tiering and the parkings that were paved. It looked so neat. I then ventured down to the swimming pool, and I didn't want to show much there because it was kind of green, so I didn't want to drop that into this post. But yeah, there's a pool. Oh, aren't they pretty? So as you know, we are pensioners and we're trying to get a YouTube subsidized so that we can live off something. So please guys, read on the back here and see, subscribe and join our vibe. Thank you. Nice and cozy with the cover of all these tall trees. Lots of shade.
Some big buck did its poos all over here, but we missed the buck. Jacaranda, look how beautiful the colour is. That's true. Jacaranda snow. Jacaranda snow. Cute little grapevine with some nice grapes. Some green grapes.
So this is what it looks like outside. A little stretch further. Looks like the games park. What did you say, Cindy?
More modern town shady.
Okay. Okay, Kitty's Jungle Gym, Monster, a couple of swings, and I know Cindy about where she found swings already. That's Cindy. She loves her swing. This is one for a baby. They put their legs through there so that they can't fall off. Maybe I must swing with this one so I don't fall off. The modern buildings out there.
Yeah.
Must be places you can rent.
Oh, these are wet.
Yeah, that's so nice. Okay, so we got a big shot here. There we go.
This is nice.
Look at that. She's back in her little roly-polies. What does it say on the back? Ah, Jaunti. Van life. There we go. A little pond here. Walking through a little water feature that's there, and yeah, it's a bit dry at the moment, but I think with water flowing here it would look really nice.
Oh, wow. Your turn now. How do you see the best? There you are. Hello, baby. You're not as pretty as the other one we saw the other day. There's got to be feathers lying around here. Hello, baby. Hello.
Hello.
I see this in England, like a cottage. Beautiful.
A whole load of them.
Yeah. Look at the tree behind it. How beautiful.
In the bush.
Wow.
Okay, so we found an old camper van here.
It's our next one.
Yeah, this is where you probably can rent places to keep your caravan if you're not here
Oh, yeah.
hiring the place. So you can probably rent a stand or rent a carport so that you can park your caravan here.
That's
And
so-
this Aki is just standing out in the middle of the bush here
It's
in
broken.
the sun. Oh yeah, it must be broken
Look
down.
at the windows,
I think we're going to have to go and buy this thing and fix it.
Some beautiful fungi. gorgeous. So,
Okay, so what do you think of this place?
this is gorgeous. I'd stay in these new rentals. They're beautiful.
I think it's a nice place.
And I'd go on hikes and everything.
The only problem is you're here in the middle of nothing. What do?
You rest.
Just rest.
Rest assured.
Okay.
How's this? Looks like a flower. It's all over the tree stump. Just shows you how wet it is here. It's all over the tree stump. Everywhere. Absolutely stunning. And like I say, it's a flower. So we were here at the Drakensberg Boys Choir. That's where they all are. What a setting to be, to come and sing. Wednesdays you can hear them sing, but we're here on a Sunday. So that's it, in the Drakensberg. So yeah, the ugly duckling. I think there is one in Clarence already as well that you've seen. I just want to go see this Misty Peaks. See, I've got champagne taste. So here we have a donkey, and here we have makeup and pearls. Yeah, it's very nice little shop. Gorgeous. You can go in and see. Yeah, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh, it's very much like Clarence. Wow, beautiful. Men's clothes.
Hi everybody, we've come to the end of our video and I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and share and comment and subscribe. Please subscribe, people. We need subscriptions. What do you say, Sin?
So we here in Clarence now. You're going to see a video. This video is before we've come here. But I'm sitting in an amphitheater right where Jaunti is, overlooking the most stunning mountains. And every day there's a different view. Like today it's hazy. You can see all the different layers. Like you would see
different mountains, so it looks like layers.
It
light,
almost,
dark, light.
Yes, when you see a painter that's painted the different colors of the layers, that's what I'm looking at today. Yeah, so I just want to say thank you for watching. We are starting to traipse through South Africa again. Share with your friends, because we really need to grow.
Yes.
As Graham said earlier, we're pensioners and we want YouTube to start giving us some money, and the only way is after 1,000 subscribers. Even if they subscribe and don't push the all button, they just subscribe.
Yes, just a notification.
Yes, they don't have to be notified.
Because then you won't be notified each week, as if you, oh, now I must look at this again.
Yeah.
Just subscribe and
just that's
it. Don't press the bell.
Yes.
You want it every week so that you see it, press the bell. But otherwise just leave the bell, just subscribe.
Yes. So that we can grow quick and just get a bit of extra money and start selling things on our website, on Jaunti. I know we can already,
merch.
but
we call it merch.
Yeah, until we get finance extra to what we have to put out cups or whatever.
Yeah.
It costs money, everything. So please, we're asking you to just get your families to subscribe. The ones that are watching, just get your families to push that subscribe button. It's free.
Yes.
You just have to have a Google account. That's all.
Thank you, guys.
Yes.
Do that for our sake and yours. We look to you, because you are the one that keeps us going and doing these things.
Yes.
So we want to invite you to become part of it. Thank you very much, and that'll be from Cindy and Graham. Cheers.
Bye-bye.
And God bless.
Yes.
Bye.